I'm Morgan Craig.
I'm Dara Asherman.
I'm Macy Mann.
I'm Grace Lindsay.
And you're watching Elevate 2. Enjoy the show.
Are we good?
All right, let's look at the date and time 2025. This is the elevator at Briscoe Hall, Indiana University, Bloomington, Indiana. And guess I'm filming with y'all?
Woo!
That's right, I have 4 girls from Best Buddies in Pennsylvania.
Yay!
What are your names?
I'm Morgan.
I'm Dara.
I'm Macy.
I'm Grace.
And look what's happened to all 4 of them. That's right, they're disappeared inside the Zentai suits and now they've transformed into new people. As you can see, Grace is black. Is it Macy?
Yes.
Macy is blue. Morgan is
Green.
green.
Dara's green.
And Dara is an alien. Girls, I'll let you say hi to my viewers on YouTube.
Hi!
This is a ThyssenKrupp with monitor TR fixtures, and it was installed sometime between 2010 and 2012 when this building was renovated. Who wants to push the down button?
Me!
Put your head down.
Yep.
Put your head
Get in!
Oh, please go.
All right, we're going to start by going down to lower levels. Press LL.
LL.
Cure LL.
I'm transforming back into a human.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Here we are.
Oh my god.
All right, now going up, we're going to be quiet so we can listen more. Press the door close button. Actually, it's already closing. That door time is very quick, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
Now press 2 and be quiet.
Wow, that was a quick travel time. Yeah, where are we now?
2 opens up on the rear.
Oh, is it gonna open here?
Yes. Now do not exit the elevator.
Wrong.
This is a really nice elevator, and guess who's joining me today? It's Morgan, Dara, and Macy. As Taylor Swift would say, among the majority of my other friends from Best Buddies, you are the best thing that's ever been mine.
Yeah! Oh, we got a shaky elevator.
And these are your fixtures. They're monitor TR fixtures. There's no asbestos certificate, but according to the sign on the first floor, this building was renovated in 2010 and 2012. 2,500 pound capacity. And this will be the last trip down to lower level, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Who wants to send it down to LL this time? Who hasn't had a turn yet?
Go, you go.
LL.
Yep.
Woo!
We need to listen.
You're back at LL? And what is an elevator special guest view without picture of you next to the buttons? You're blocking the buttons.
Sorry.
I think I want you to stand behind whoever is shorter.
Okay, ready?
All right, smile, girls.
Can I press a button?
How do you think these look? Oh,
I'm sure they. Oh my god! Send those green. Can I press a button?
go and take us where you want to go.
We'll go to 1 because we gotta go back up to our floor next.
All right, sounds good.
What are we doing? What are we doing today? We're doing a Wicked walk. Is that what it's called?
Festival of Friendships, right?
Festival of Friendships. Are you gonna send those pictures in the group chat?
All right, well, here are 1. So what do you girls think of this elevator?
It was great. What a great ride.
Now don't take your costumes off yet, because I want to get some more in front of you, in front of the elevator.
Okay. Put your mask on.
And there it goes. And that will be it. Macy, I'll let you stand right next to these girls.
Thank you so much, John. It's so nice of you.
All right, now you girls can say bye.
Bye!
The video is over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. If you have disabilities like me, please join Best Buddies. Visit bestbuddies.org in the video description below. Do you girls have anything to say to my viewers on YouTube?
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
And if you want to watch another video, click right there. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and turn on that notification bell to be notified when the next new elevator videos are being released. Until next time, bye y'all!
Bye.
Alright, you turn off.